1, 2, 3. Hello again. In this lesson we're going to look at that great old ballad, Raglan Road. Raglan Road was written by Patrick Kavanagh, the poet, and it was put to the music of Fáinne Galan Lay, or Dawning of the Day, and it was made famous of course by the great balladeer Luke Kelly. I'm going to play the song in the key of C, and we have only 4 chords to look at: the C major chord, F major chord, G major, and we also have A minor. At one stage in the song you might have noticed me playing a chord, this chord here. That's a form of the G major chord. I use it a lot. It's actually G add 6, and the technical reason for that is I'm adding the 6th note, which is the open first string there. That note is E. You don't have to play that chord, obviously. You can play G major instead of it, but if you do want to use that chord, what I'm playing is 2nd finger here on the 5th string, 2nd fret, and I'm playing my pinky here on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string. You can use different fingering if you like, maybe 1st and 3rd, whatever suits you. It's in slow 3/4 time, and I'm using a 3/4 finger picking pattern to accompany it as follows: 1 and 2 and 3 and. My fingers will pick that same pattern right throughout. My thumb will change depending on the chord, because my thumb is going to pick the root note. So for C, that's here on the 5th string. So my thumb picks the 5th, and the following is the pattern from my fingers: 2nd string, 3rd string, 1st string, 2nd string, 3rd string. 2nd string with my 2nd finger, 3rd string with my 1st finger, 1st finger with my 3rd, 1st string with my 3rd finger, back to the 2nd string and back to the 1st string. And the count is 1 and 2 and 3 and. It's not too difficult because the tempo of the song is very slow. Okay, so for G major then, I'm going to play the root note, which is the 6th string, with my thumb, and my fingers pick the same pattern: 2nd, 3rd, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 1 and 2 and 3 and. For F major, I'm playing this. I'm not playing the bar chord here, I'm playing this shape. So the root note is here on the 4th string, that note is F. 1 and 2 and 3 and. And the only other chord then is A minor, and my thumb picks the 5th string here because that's the root note. Same pattern again. 1 and 2 and 3 and. If you want to use that G add 6 chord, The fingering is as follows, as we looked at earlier. Now the root note here, we're not going to pick G, we're going to pick the 5th string, which is B. So 1 and 2 and 3 and. Like I said earlier also, if you prefer, just stick with the G major chord. One, two, three.